I had metal braces as a kid, so my teeth were straightened out, and as you do, I started to forget to wear my retainer, so I started noticing gaps coming back, my teeth were starting to rotate. As time went on, every time I looked at photos, it was almost all I could see. I was just getting more and more unhappy with my smile and starting to lack some confidence. So I knew I wanted to get my teeth fixed, but I didn't want to have to go back to metal braces. So I looked into clear aligners, and it just seemed like the right option for me. It fit my lifestyle, and I knew it wasn't going to make me even more self-conscious while I was on the road to making myself feel a lot more confident. And everyone I saw wearing them, I could never tell that they were wearing them until they told me. So I knew that was the way I wanted to go if I wanted to straighten my teeth again. Since I'm not 10 years old anymore, and you want to be able to smile in public without having metal braces, and just how easy it is. You think it's going to be hard because you have to take them out all the time when you're eating and clean them, but it's really not as hard as it sounds. Just take them out, they pop right in and out, and it's just quick and easy, and it's so convenient. I loved going through the process at Advanced Care Dentistry because every time I needed new aligners, they were able to give it to me really quickly. They use state-of-the-art technology that's all in-house, so they're able to get them to me so fast, as opposed to other places where you might have to wait weeks, maybe even a month to get new trays. So it was super efficient here. I would get my trays really quickly. I would say within a week they had like a few months worth of trays. So I loved that I only needed to come in every few months, and when I did, it was so fast and the process was really efficient. So they don't have me waiting out here forever, and it was just a quick check-in, make sure everything was good, and they sent me on my way. So the process was really quick and painless for me. I remember the first day when I came in, the first thing I asked was, okay, are you gonna put the clay in my mouth now? Are you gonna make me gag? But to my surprise, they were like, nope, we have this little device. It just kind of went in and around my mouth, and just took photos of scanned my whole mouth, and within 5 minutes they had a whole impression of my mouth without having to shove clay in it. So I was very, very pleasantly surprised with that process. It was a big relief. I started to notice results probably within the first few weeks. I started to see that gaps were closing, my teeth were rotating and going back to where they were supposed to be. So for me, I started to get my confidence back really, really quickly. My new smile has given me a lot of confidence. I remember getting more and more insecure about it the more and more time I waited to do anything about it. And it got fixed so quickly, and now I get so many compliments. I just feel more confident smiling. Yeah, overall, just so much happier. I love looking at photos of myself now, and it's not something I'm insecure about anymore. Overall, the process of having aligners was so much more convenient for me. I remember when I had metal braces, I would always have to worry about getting food stuck in my teeth. I would have to carry around a little pick just to make sure everything was out of my teeth. And it was just overall such a long process to upkeep. With the aligners, I could just pop them out whenever I was at a restaurant or out to eat, eat whatever I wanted, and then, slip away to the bathroom, do a quick rinse and pop them back in until I, go home and am able to brush my teeth. So overall, just so quick and easy, and yeah, really fit my lifestyle of, being out and about and having to meet people, being able to eat whatever I wanted and not worry when I'm talking to people that I just have food everywhere. So yeah, I loved the process of having aligners. The office is really easy to find. It's located right off of Main Street in Woodinville, and there's really nice parking just right outside, so you can just run right in. So it was always really convenient to get to my appointments, and the appointments were always, quick and, efficient. At the beginning of treatment, I definitely worried that the aligners were going to interfere with how I talk, but in a matter of weeks, I was able to speak really clearly. It didn't get in the way because they're really thin, and my mouth just kind of adapted to them pretty fast. So it was something I was worried about, but didn't end up being a problem. At the beginning of treatment, when I first put in the aligners, there was definitely a little bit of discomfort. It was tight and I could feel that my teeth were moving, but nothing that ever lasted more than a day or two. Compared to metal braces, where you would go in and get them retightened. You had to eat soft foods only for like the first few days. And actually it lasted probably, maybe 4 to 5 days with metal braces. With the aligners though, my teeth got used to them really fast. I would say, every time I changed out trays, it would be a day, maybe 2, that they would start to just feel a little bit sore, but nothing unmanageable. And I loved that I could just pop them out and eat anything I wanted, right? With metal braces, it was just, soft foods for the first like 4 days every time you get them tightened. So this was a lot more manageable and pleasant pain-wise. I would highly recommend Advanced Care Dentistry for anyone who's interested in clear aligners. The process here was so easy and efficient, and the place is great. It's clean and easy to find, and there's amazing parking outside, so highly recommend if you're looking into clear aligners.